We got the American Bubble Boy rolls here and the Supply Hut rolls here. The American Bubble Boy rolls are clearly bigger. Is Supply Hut ripping us off? We're going to solve which one's the best deal by weighing the rolls. So here's the first American Bubble Boy roll. Make sure it's not touching anything back here. 54.2 ounces. Here it is. So the first half of it is 54.2 ounces. Let's weigh the second one. Make sure it's not touching anything back here. We have 49.1 ounces for the second roll. Back to zero. Now let's weigh Supply Huts. We got the first Supply Hut. 55.1. So it looks like Supply Hut probably wraps theirs tighter, would be my guess. And let's get it balanced on there. Let's make sure it's not touching anything back there. We got 60.9. So let's do some quick math. 13, carry the 1. 103 ounces versus 10. 12. 12. So Supply Hut's rolls definitely weigh more, but let's make sure they're not just using thicker bubble wrap. So I got 5 sheets. They're 5 1-foot sheets off the American Bubble Boy and 5 1-foot sheets off the Supply Hut. Let's weigh them. There's American Bubble Boy. 0.7. Let's do Supply Huts. 1.1. So the Supply Hut bubble wrap weighs more than the American Bubble Boy. So the big cost factor is on Amazon I paid $44 for the bubble wrap for the American Bubble Boy. I paid $28 and some change for the Supply Hut. I think for my money I'm going to stick with the Supply Hut bubble wrap. And that's my science and a SpaceX. If you're hiring and you need a scientist, reach out.